Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have a speaker review for you. This is the Skullcandy Barrel XT portable party speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box and see what we have. So first off, we have a couple of little boxes here. Just go ahead and take those out. And we have the speaker. And there we go. Here it is. Skullcandy Barrel XT. Pretty nice looking speaker. Let's see what we get inside of the boxes. So in this box right here, we have a couple little Skullcandy books, some type of books, some stickers. I'm not going to be using any of that. And we also have part of your AC adapter. And then right here, we have a power brick. So there you go. That's everything that comes inside of the box. So first off, let's just take a look at the speaker and see how it feels. I mean, it feels kind of sturdy. It's just all plastic. Just all hard plastic. There's really nothing too special about it. Has some like little spots right here to connect a strap, but this one does not come with the strap. If you want the strap, actually I got this one from Walmart. If you want to get the strap, they are selling with the strap right now on Amazon. See right here, it's kind of like a fabric here in the front. Has a little Skullcandy logo, little rubber foot at the bottom so it doesn't slip around. And up here you have some buttons. You have a light button, Bluetooth, volume down, play pause button, volume up. And then you have your power button right there. You have a battery indicator as well right there. So it's pretty nice. We flip it around to the back. Let's see what we have back here. Open up the little port. We have our 3.5mm aux. We have a USB-A port where you can charge your devices and also play back from a thumb drive. And then you have your USB-C port we can also charge devices from. And finally, you have your AC adapter port right there for your little barrel connector. So this is an IPX5 waterproof, it says. I don't really know how good of a waterproofing it is, but I'm not going to be dipping in any water either. And then up at the top right here, we do have an LED strip. And then we have our nice little passives on the sides. Nice little like orange passive with the Skullcandy head on the side. Okay, let's go ahead and power the speaker on. Hold it down for a couple seconds. And there we go. Power it on. Very nice. You do have your light button right here. So you can kind of switch between lighting modes. We will try that out when we're playing a song, but I think it only has a few here. It's like 3 modes maybe. Honestly, I don't really like the LED lights on here. I think they're a little bit too bright, but we will see that when we're playing a song and see what the different lighting modes do. So let's go ahead and get connected to it. Okay, so when you're looking for it in your device, it's going to show up as an SKDY barrel. Let's go ahead and get paired to it.
Connected.
And there we are. We're already connected to the speaker. So now this speaker does not have an app that goes along with it. So there's really nothing else you could do besides what you can actually just do right here on the front of the speaker with whatever buttons it has. And the way that you enable bass boost on this speaker here is just hold down the play pause button for a couple of seconds. This light's going to turn blue and then the play pause button stays illuminated, and that means the bass boost is on. And if you want to check your battery level, just hold down the volume up and volume down.
Battery, 90%.
And there you go. It tells you your battery level. Right, so I wanted to show you what the lights look like here, the different type of lighting modes you have. So you have this one. I don't know if any of these actually go with the music. I think one of them might. Oh, there we go. So that one does. And that one does too. Oh, so does that one. So you have like 3 at least to go with the music, and then a couple of other to just like change colors. Now let's see what the actual speakers look like, the passes when they're bumping here.
We're running out of options.
Check it out.
I didn't know then, but we took every precaution. And now you're holding back, but I can hear the pain underneath your breath. I can feel the shame running through your head. I just want to stop it. I just want to stop it.
So it actually didn't sound too bad right off the bat. So it definitely didn't. Let's go over some of the specifications real quick. Specifications of the Skullcandy Barrel XT. Speakers, we have 2 2.5-inch tweeters. Those are 10 watt. We have no mids on it. 1 6.5-inch woofer, that's 40 watts. So that's a total of 60 watts. Frequency response is 50 hertz to 18 kilohertz, at least according to Best Buy, because I could not find that on their official website. It weighs approximately 12 pounds, and dimensions are 22 inches long, 9.6 inches wide by 11.8 inches high. Charge time is 3.5 hours, and playtime is up to 12 hours, probably with no LED lights on at around 50% volume. Connections, we have a 3.5mm aux, we have a USB-A, you can play songs from a thumb drive or you can charge your devices. We also have a USB-C that you can charge your devices from, and the AC barrel adapter plug. IPX rating, it's IPX5 waterproof. Now, I don't know if that just means splash proof or what the waterproofness of this is, but I probably would not try to submerge it into any water. It does not have any app support from what I could find. There is a Skullcandy app, but it said the speaker was not supported, even though it seemed to find it. Extras includes TWS. You have multi-link, which allows you to connect up to 99 additional speakers, auto shutdown within 15 minutes, and it does have a bass boost. There's also a video manual, but it looks like it may be for an older version of the speaker. So I don't know how much I would trust it for everything, because it tells you that you can use USB-C in order to charge your speaker, when that is actually not true. The speaker does not charge via USB-C, only via the AC barrel adapter. So now we're going to play a few tracks so you can see what the speaker sounds like. It's going to be playing at 70% volume with bass boost on, and we're going to actually play it plugged in and unplugged so you can see the difference in power between being plugged in and also unplugged. And I can tell you right now, it is quite a bit of a difference. So please just sit back and enjoy the music.
We're running out of options. I didn't know them, but we took every precaution. Now you're holding back, but I can hear the pain underneath your breath. I can feel the shame running through your head. And I just wanna stop it. I just wanna stop it. Where do you turn when you need someone? Where do you hide when you just can't run? Where do you go when you have no home? When you have no hope? What do you do when you lose in sleep? When real life doesn't beat your dream? I just wanna know if you feel it too. It's me and you, all alone in a crowded room. I remember the moment I got left behind. Faces fade to black as they move from the light. Am I even real? Even real? Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive, me alive. Drowning in the light. Who am I? Time is eating me
Keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. It's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for I shave when it's hot, I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Goddamn, feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's half past 4. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's half past 4. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
There's a beauty in the way you're worn, and the sharpness of your thorns, so vibrant in the imperfections. In the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel, just let me hold that severed world. The pieces feel so cold. The tears won't bring it back to life. But hate will always go.
So my final thoughts for the Skullcandy Barrel XT portable party speaker, I guess portable Bluetooth speaker. I think it's a pretty decent speaker. It actually does fill the room. It doesn't have any like earth-shattering bass or anything like that. So if you're expecting like really deep bass like a Boombox 3 or something like that, you're probably going to be a bit underwhelmed. So if you just want something that's going to fill the room, it's going to have a pleasant sound to it, because this definitely does have a pleasant sound. It definitely does fill the room. And I felt, I guess, happy while I was listening to it. It didn't like hurt my ears. It didn't like, make me feel like I wanted to like run away or anything like that, like some other speakers that will remain nameless. But I definitely did like it. I definitely did enjoy listening to it. And I think it does have a good sound stage besides just a little bit of lacking deep bass. But at 50 hertz, obviously, you're not going to be hitting any deep bass, because you need to be down to like around 20 to do something like that. So it definitely is a cool speaker. I think build quality is okay. And I mean, if you could catch it on a sale, then, probably would be worth it. Right now, it's going for like $169, I think, on Amazon or Walmart or pretty much wherever. And Amazon, it does come with the strap. Walmart, I believe it does not still. And I did get it on a really good deal. And that's the only reason I even picked it up, is because it was only $79. Now, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to find it for that price, but it is a decent speaker, even at $169, compared to, speakers like the Boombox 3 that are like $500, $400 or $500. Then this one is definitely reasonably priced for the type of sound quality you get out of it. If you are interested in purchasing this speaker, I will have a link where you'll be able to get it from. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links, since anything you purchase does generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.